Hey everyone. Hey, did you know that there is a way that you can save a trade for later? So you can literally get the trade all set up, ready to go, and you can save it for a later time when you want to look at it again. This is what is called staging a trade. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I've picked out this ticker right here, LEN. You can see it's a nice uptrend, and it's pulling back hopefully to that uptrending support line. It's not ready to go yet. So maybe what I want to do is I want to go ahead and set up this trade and stage it. And maybe tomorrow, if it bounces off of support and starts moving up, maybe I can go ahead and execute that trade. But for now, I just want to go ahead and save it. This is a great way, a great tool that you can use when doing your homework the night before, or if you just kind of want to keep a closer eye on it. So we're just going to do this with a simple stock trade. This will work the same with options, but to keep it simple right now, we're just going to do a simple stock trade. I can come here and click the buy button, and it's going to load up 100 shares. And you can see the price right there. That's all fine right now. You got 3 options right here. If you want to proceed with the trade immediately, you click review, and then you could submit that trade to the market maker. In this case, I just want to hit stage. So you click that, and it appears like nothing happens. But if you look closely, you can see this dotted line that's put on the chart, right? It's not solid. If there was a solid line, that would mean that you're in the trade. The dotted line essentially just says that this trade is saved. It is staged for you. And if you want to go ahead and, well, what are the next steps then? Well, you can come to the staged orders tab down below. Click this guy, and you can see LEN. You get, that price right there, long stock, 100 shares. So you have all this information in here, and there's 3 things that you can do. You can click analyze trade, and that's simply just going to bring you right back to the chart. We were already there, but you might be somewhere else. They'll just bring you back to the chart so you can analyze the technicals on that trade. You could decide to do the trade. That's just going to bring you right back to the order ticket where you can review it and move on. Or if you decide, let's pretend it doesn't bounce, right? It does not bounce off of support, it actually breaks down and starts heading down towards the 50. The uptrend is broken. Bummer. Oh, well, we just want to discard it. We're going to go ahead and cancel or delete this trade. Do you want to delete select a trade? Yes. Okay. There it is. It's gone. So that's just a great helpful way that you can go through your homework. You can maybe stage 5-6 trades, ones that you're going to be looking at very closely the next day, and hopefully a couple of them work out and you're able to get into some good trades.